Back for another episode. As you can tell, it is a very beautiful day, so I am doing this outside. I just got my new Got Boost 3-inch intakes in the mail today, and so what I'm going to be doing is installing them on my 2016 Nissan GTR. And so let's get started. I got my intakes in the mail, and so this is what it should come with. It should end up coming with two filters. As you can see, I've got one here and one here. It should come with both intake pipes. It should come with two reducers, and it should come with mounting hardware so that you can mount it to the frame or the thing when you're all done. So that I have enough room to get my screwdriver down there, and so I'm going to start working on these. So what we're going to do is we're going to start taking out the air filters and everything just to get them out of the way. And if anybody does want these are full K&N drop-in filters, so go ahead and message me. The car has about 38,000 miles, and by the look of them, they look pretty brand new. I went ahead and got both of the air filters out of here, and I went ahead and took off the bolts off the top of both of these. And so now what we're going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and take off this bolt right here, which is for a grounding, so I can get it out of the way so I can pull these out. So it's looking like that it's going to be a 12 millimeter. So make sure you have a 12 millimeter on hand. You don't have to crank it very hard, but make sure that you set this bolt aside separate so you know exactly where it goes. And then we're going to start working on pulling off the mass airflow sensor connectors and getting the tubing and everything out as well. And so those will just be a flathead screwdriver to pull off those adjustment clips. I always recommend that you start with one side and do one side at a time so you don't get parts or anything mixed up. I went ahead and got the coupler off the turbo and off the intake and everything, got all of that out. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the reducer onto the turbo end. And don't forget to swap over your mass airflow sensor exactly the way that it was on the other the airbox as well. So we're going to go ahead and get this side installed, and then we'll be back. So as you can see, we've got one side already done. The trick to putting this filter is putting it cone down first. I left the plastic on it to get it in there so I didn't mess up any of the filters. Make sure you push it forward to the bumper instead of pushing it to the side or anything, or else you'll have a really hard time getting it on. You don't want to smash up your filter. And then everything goes on all as one. And now we'll go ahead and start on the second side. Next step that we went ahead and did is we went ahead and put everything back together. And then you want to go ahead and put on your cooling plate so that goes over there. And then don't forget to go ahead and install your access port stage 1 plus tune on the car, or else your car will be running very lean. As you can tell, the intakes really did make a difference. You can hear that swirling sound, kind of what we were going for with the intakes, as well as we're wanting a little bit of extra power as well. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to be doing a comparison between the stage 1 and the stage 1 plus tune, which is what I'm on now. And go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button.